Title: The Power and Global Impact of the English Language. Introduction. The English language, often referred to as a lingua franca or a global language, holds a unique and influential position in the world today. With an estimated 1.5 billion speakers worldwide, it is the third most widely spoken language, serving as a bridge between diverse cultures and facilitating communication on a global scale. This essay explores the historical development, global significance, and cultural impact of the English language. Historical development. The origins of the English language can be traced back to the Germanic tribes that migrated to Britain in the early Middle Ages. Over the centuries, English evolved through various stages, influenced by Latin, Old Norse, and Norman French. The development of the English language was marked by significant milestones, including the works of Geoffrey Chaucer's Canterbury Tales in Middle English and the standardization of English during the early modern period, thanks in large part to William Shakespeare's contributions. Global significance. The rise of the British Empire in the 16th century played a pivotal role in the global spread of the English language. British colonization established English as the primary language in many parts of the world, including North America, Australia, India, Africa, and the Caribbean. As a result, English became deeply entrenched in the social, political, and economic fabric of these regions. In the modern era, the influence of the United States has further cemented the global significance of English. The economic and cultural dominance of the U.S. has contributed to the widespread use of English in international business, diplomacy, technology, entertainment, and academia. English is the primary language of the Internet, scientific research, and international air travel, making it a vital tool for global communication. Cultural impact. The English language has not only spread geographically but has also made a profound impact on cultures and languages worldwide. Through the global dissemination of literature, films, music, and popular culture, English has shaped the way people think, express themselves, and perceive the world. It has become a symbol of modernity, innovation, and progress. Furthermore, the multicultural nature of English-speaking societies has led to the incorporation of countless loanwords and phrases from other languages, enriching the English lexicon and reflecting its adaptability. This linguistic diversity mirrors the multiculturalism that characterizes many English-speaking nations. Conclusion. The English language is more than a tool for communication, it is a force that has shaped the course of history, influenced cultures, and connected people across the globe. Its growth and global significance are a testament to its adaptability and resilience. As the world continues to evolve, English will undoubtedly play an even more significant role in facilitating international understanding and cooperation, making it an invaluable asset for individuals and societies alike. In an increasingly interconnected world, the importance of English cannot be overstated, making it a language of unparalleled power and global impact.